Hello there guys. In this video I wanted to talk about what file systems are out there. Okay, and so we talked about file systems when we introduced the concepts of file systems, partitions, etc. And sort of they have been uh, trudging around from that tutorial to this tutorial. And as you can probably understand, they are a really important concept. Okay. So we also said that approximately file systems are comprised of a database which keeps track of files and of a data pool where files are kept. And here are some of the most popular file systems. First off, we have ext4, which stands for Fourth Extended File System. This is used in Linux, and my laptop currently uses ext4 for its partitions on my solid-state drive. Then we have FAT, not for, but FAT, which stands for File Allocation Table. And I mostly use that for USBs or something like that. And then you have NTFS, which is called a New Technology File System, and that is used in Windows. Okay, and so those are just some of the more famous ones. I probably left out some also relatively famous ones, but if you ever want to look at that, you can just Google file systems, and there's really a lot of file systems. Okay, there's like a whole bunch of file systems if you look at the Wikipedia page. Okay, so if you ever want to look them up, feel free to do so. I just kind of listed the most popular ones. And yeah, that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something useful. Talk soon.